Next up is Richard Babcock. Richard is the general manager of Urban Wood Waste, the largest construction and demolition processing company in Metro Vancouver. And I suspect you might talk about Harvest Power, and the floor is yours.
They've given me, I'm not sure how much time here because it says 0, so I guess I'm finished. Thank you very much. Oh, you gave me the 5 minutes. First of all, I'll acknowledge the fact that I've got a couple of texts from Metro Vancouver folks asking if I'll acknowledge them, and if I have time at the end, I will do that. But you look like a great receiving line over there, and I'm not sure if we should do a receiving line or throw fruit at you. I'm not sure which. First of all, Steve Aujala, my counterpart from Fraser Richmond, was not here today, cannot be here, so he was to do the Fraser Richmond part of the presentation. So I'm just going to breeze through that quickly, and I apologize to the Augustine family for if I miss out any of the key points. Harvest Power, there we go. We are a landfill diversion company. Our goal and our vision is to reduce climate change impacts, source alternatives to fossil fuels, stimulate healthy soils, create green jobs, divert waste from landfills and incinerators, and lower costs. There you go. Real quickly on the process for Fraser Richmond soil, there's inputs of organic waste from residential, commercial, industrial, and agricultural. We use processes and technologies of which we are agnostic to advance composting, anaerobic digestion, gasification, and material recovery. And the products that we generate are energy, organic-based fertilizers, and soil products, and engineered fuels. With Fraser Richmond, we actually have 50,000 tons of new capacity in the Metro Vancouver member municipalities, and we do take yard debris for all member municipalities and food scraps and yard debris for 7 member municipalities. One of our biggest successes recently has been the high solids anaerobic digestion project that we are implementing soon. This facility will have a capacity of 27,000 tons of organic waste per annum. The electrical output of the facility will be 700 kilowatts. We were the successful respondent to BC Hydro's community-based biomass call. We are currently finalizing our contract with Hydro. And like all of our dealings so far in BC Hydro has been a very agreeable partner. The history of Fraser Richmond soils, which I am very keen to talk about. At present, we recycle 240,000 tons of organics per year. 95% of those are diverted from landfills. Historically, we've done 3 million tons of material. We are currently building more infrastructure in the company and looking to expand to take our recycling programs east of the Port Mann River. And really, and I'll talk about this more with Sean Maberly, who I have a picture up here with me. Really, the goal here, vision, innovation, and determination, is true entrepreneurship for both Dennis Augustine and Sean Maberly. Here you see my ability. Obviously, I didn't pass the art class or the graphics class. This is my drawing. But this gives you a quick snapshot of what we do at Urban. Click next. We currently process 170,000 tons of construction waste per year. Our goal is to grow the company to 400,000 tons in the next 3 years. And our strategy to do that is technology and geography. Lower the cost of processing, increase the ability to produce reusable and recyclable products on the back end. We currently recycle 60% of the materials we receive, and we're looking at CapEx now to take that to 95% as well. And one of the most appealing and heartfelt stories for me on this is Sean Maberly himself. He started this company over 17 years ago, and his goal was to have 20 trucks per day. His past was anything but easy, but Sean and his brothers built Urban with hard work and used parts. It really is a truly amazing story of entrepreneurship and commitment to the community. One of our biggest successes that we're very proud of, and particularly I'm very proud of, is Howe Sound Pulp and Paper became Howe Sound Pulp and Paper Empower in 2010, and I said it clearly, which really resulted in 450 jobs being sustainable on the Sunshine Coast. And also the project is the equivalent of taking 3,600 cars off the road. Now, we are not the primary fuel supplier here, but we were a key ingredient to them getting the contract with BC Hydro. We have also started the process engineered fuel market in Vancouver with our partner Lafarge. This project actually results in 60% reduction in fossil fuel carbon. And the first district energy project is currently being negotiated. We've collaborated on a proposed solution with Terrace Gas and Nextera, but all due diligence on the public consultations have yet to be completed. However, if biomass is chosen as the solution, we have a very good chance of being part of the Meaningful Clean Energy Project, in the first one in the city of Vancouver. And first, I want to wrap up real quickly by saying one little piece that's really important to me and I think to all of us. Vision without action is daydreaming. Action without vision is putting in time. Vision with action can change the world. And to me, this is the how of making this all work in our communities. If the vision for how we do this is with collaboration, co-opetition, and using triple bottom line as our goal in all our endeavors. Thank you.